In this video, we will discuss how to manually load the attendance of students in a class. First, go to the login. I will show you first as an admin user, and then I will show you as a teacher how this can be done. So, first login is as an admin. You can go to your contacts. We have already seen in the last video how to create a contact group. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch how to create a contact group. Once you see the contact group in your contact list, you can send a message to the whole group. And if you click, you will see the details of the group available. You can edit various details in the group, which has been covered in a separate video. Here, we are interested only in attendance section. So this attendance option is available only to the principal as well as to the teacher. In this one, you can see you are the admin, and there is one teacher added to this group. When you click on the attendance, the group attendance form will open, where you can click attendance of different users if you want to. I will not do this using admin account. I will do this using a teacher's account. So let's log out from here for now. So if teacher logs in, you can go to the contacts. You can press the particular contact group. Now you can see a lot of options are hidden from the teacher because he is not the admin of this group. You can go to the attendance. Now one thing you may have noticed that he cannot see all the users in the attendance form because he doesn't have permissions to upload attendance of the principal. So he can only upload attendance of the students. That's it. Now there are 5 students in this group where you can check call the name of each individual students, and let's say upload attendance. So for example, let's say Shreyans Pandey and Shulyans Pandey did not come today. Now there is an option which is automatically checked as send absence message. If you don't want to send an SMS message to individual students, you can uncheck it. Here I want to send message to the students' parents. So keep this portion checked. Now go to update attendance. Once you press update attendance, it shows updating. Now the final message, which is the absence message, has been sent to the following people: Shreyans Pandey and Shulyans Pandey. There were 2 people who were absent, and the message has been sent to these 2 students. Go to contacts again. Now if you select the same attendance option again, you can see the people who are present today in the school, and their attendance is already there. By mistake, if you have not uploaded the attendance correctly, you can edit it again and update the attendance part. Let's log out, and I will show you again how will it look to the admin. Now if admin goes, selects the same group, he can also see that Anshuja came today, and Priya came today, Yashoda came today, but Shulyans and Shreyans didn't come today. Obviously, Zahid cannot upload attendance by himself, so if Leslie wants, she can upload the attendance again. But obviously that's not required from the principal side. It's just for verification purposes. Thanks for watching this video.